guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be unboxing the entry-level smartphone of Samsung, which is the Samsung Galaxy A04. So let's unbox it now. Alright, so we already removed the outer boxing and also the bubble wrap. And we'll be unboxing here the main box of it, which is here. And normally there will be this paperwork. So as like other unboxing of smartphones, this will be included in every smartphone box. It's like the instruction manuals, warranty cards, and everything that is related to this phone, the Samsung Galaxy A04. So here it is. And then the Samsung Care Plus. So this is like a subscription for, like an extended warranty, because it also included on the Samsung Galaxy Flip 4 when we purchase it. Then there's the phone, the Samsung Galaxy A04. And then some power bricks, which is very rare nowadays. And also the USB cable. Then let's go on the main event, which is the Samsung Galaxy A04. So here it's on plastic still. So I'll remove the plastic right now. It's a little bit sticky, but here we go. So we already removed the plastic, and here's the Samsung Galaxy A04. And my first impression here with its quality build, it's almost or purely plastic. There's nothing special, although I'll be definitely reviewing it more on my next video. So we're trying to set this up right now. And since this is an entry-level phone, I'll be not expecting too much to it. But surely on my next video, I'll be doing some testing and some review for this phone. So that's it for now for this unboxing and first impression of Samsung Galaxy A04. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.